Hey, what's up, guys? I have this Mnandi in. Actually traded this my box elder burl for this carbon fiber version, and this one actually doesn't have as good as action as my box elder burl one does. So I'm going to try and tune it a little bit. So it has really strong lock bar tension. So I'll probably adjust the lock bar and then lube it up, and it should be good to go. But I've never taken apart a Mnandi before, so this is going to be a first time for me. I can't remember if I saw if it has a bushing pivot or not. It does. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, this thing is way over for where it needs to be. So we'll try and adjust it. Actually, I can't adjust it. That scale's in the way, now that I think about it. So yeah, we're gonna just do our best though. Now this does have a unique way that it does the pocket clip, and this actually is the female side that I'm unscrewing, so that's different. See that? And then the male side is the pocket clip. And these are reversible, so lefties. It is a pretty ambidextrous knife. And there it is, guys. Disassembled. Very easy. But yeah, I forgot. I'm not going to be able to adjust this lock bar because this is in the way and I can't take these off. These are like glued down by some very strong adhesive from what I know. So, okay. Maybe if I keep it like this overnight, just clamped like that, it will do something. I don't know. But you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it too much. But yeah, that was brought over way too much. Yeah, there's no way of me getting that over. But while I have it out, I can clean it out and re-lube it with the grease and see how that works. Now let's see. What I might do is hit these with on the strap to polish them. So I don't know if the stop pin comes out or not. Probably does. It's just maybe it's just stuck to the glue. I don't know. But alright guys, so let me go off camera here and clean up this knife, and I will come back when I'm ready to put it all back together and take you through how I put it together. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I did polish up these washers some, so they should be good to go, and let's start to get this thing back together. So make sure I put a pocket clip on the right spot. So I'm gonna assemble this right now without the blade, and then put the blade in like a Sabenza does. Okay. So okay. Okay. Yeah, very unique way of putting this clip together, but this clip is pretty cool. Alright, I'm not going to tighten it down all the way, just going to get it going. Alright, so it's on there. And then another thing is this this does have the bushing pivot, so that's really good. So let me go. This is the grease I usually use. Yeah. So I'll put a little inside here to keep the bushing in place. Okay. And then the bigger washer goes on this side. And let's put some okay. And then the other side. Alright, now that that's in there, we can slide it in here. Okay. And then, shoot, I forgot which way. Oh, you know what? I set this up for left hand. Alright, hold on guys, I gotta switch it out. Alright guys, got the clip on the right spot, so let's go ahead and put this back together. Alright, now I believe this is right here. I believe it's the show side that has the CRKT. Could be wrong, but if I am, I will switch this out after the video. I just can't remember what side the CRKT is, or the CR thing is. Alright, so there, that's tight now. And now this is tight. And so let's see how center is good. No blade play. Okay. This is smoother. Yeah, the lock bar tension is the way it is. So unfortunately, I can't change that, but see if I can front flip this behind the camera. Okay, so I can front flip it a little better. It does feel smoother. Definitely has more tension than my other one, but yeah, I could get my other one with my thumb, but behind the camera is really hard. But yeah, tension on the lock bar. This might be a strictly two-hand opener, which the other one is supposed to be also. But I could get that one-handed, but anyway, it does feel smoother, and yeah, I don't think that lock bar tension, yeah, it's definitely falling shut better than it was before. So, and if that tension was a little bit better, it would be good. But as of now, it's still happy with it. As long as I can front flick it out, and I don't have to pinch it open every time, So there you go, guys. See you on the next one.